I just got done hitting all of these with hydrogen peroxide and water again because it rained the past couple of days. This one is getting cut and hung up tonight. This one's done. This one I'm going to turn into hash. This is the hash plant I'm going to make. Definitely turning this one into hash. We got the other one over here. Nice and thick. Chunky. So chunky. Oh yeah. Nice bud. Keep growing, baby. Look, they're so heavy that they're falling over. Heavy, heavy nugs. Chunky. I'm gonna have to put this one up. Way too heavy.